touch a boat when I'm in my zone. I'm gone. What's good, Hit Trash Homie, back again with another video. What's up with the Blade fam? I'm so sorry for not posting any videos lately. I've been doing like a lot of short films, but in today's video, I'm like gassed out. I'm like gassed out right now. I'm sweaty and all that good stuff. We're putting up a punching bag. Let's get to it. Okay, y'all, Dave's right here helping me out. This is our punching bag right here. Bought on Amazon for like 60 bucks unfilled. And what we're doing is a DIY type thing. So we're gonna stuff it with clothes. Went to Home Depot, got some sandbags. Put 10 pounds each into Ziploc bags that you can get from the Dollar Tree, the gallon ones. And also, also get some duct tape, wrap them all around just for more protection. You know what I'm saying? So you don't punch in and break and then da-da-da. Get some boxes so you can make a bottom piece and the lid. You know what I'm saying? Duct tape that. Get yourself a nice long broomstick.
Sturdy. You want to make it sturdy.
Yep. So then we can pat it down on the side and we're just gonna continue. Right, Bubs?
Yes.
Let's get it. Alright y'all, so this is the update version of our punching bag, weighted bag, sand bag, clothes bag, whatever you want to call it. Alright, so this is how it looks like inside. I gotta put y'all down. Okay, so this is how it looks like in the inside. This is the flat. It's pretty dark in there, but what we did was in the middle of it, we put the sandbag and the clothes around it. You know what I mean? And then you just tuck it down on the side. And it comes like this, and after when it's done, we're just gonna pat it down a bit more just to mold it out to make it into a regular punching bag. You feel me? You know what I mean? Let's get to it. So this lid, I made it a little bit too big. This one on the bottom, and this will be on the top of it, and then we'll close the flap. So I have to minimize it, make it a little bit smaller so it can fit properly. All this mess. Remember, y'all, this is what y'all need, okay? If you want to save some money, this is a better alternative to fill up your sandbag, your punching bag, whatever you want to call it. You can get these right here, the gallon zippers. Get it at the Dollar Tree. Go look for some cardboards. Any cardboards will do. You just got to make it to like a circle. You know, you need like about 8 of these for the bottom and 8 on top, so altogether 16. You're going to need duct tape. You're also going to need a razor to cut your board. And you're gonna need sand, which you can get at Home Depot. If you guys are wondering, this is what I got on Amazon. ProRobust. You know what I'm saying? It's just like for your beginners and stuff like that, but it's a bundle, which is pretty cool. It comes with these things right here, wrist strap. So when you punch, you won't, you know, mess up your wrist. It comes with some pair of gloves. They're actually really nice. They're really light. I don't know how many ounces. It should say so on the box anyway. And this is what it comes with right here. You're going to use this thing right here to put on top. Connect this to the bag itself. And we're ready to go. Alright y'all, so this is the final product of this ProRobust punching bag. I'm in my garage right now. It is up, it is nice, it's holding up. We've had this up for like months now. Yeah, it took a long time to do this video, but we finally got it up. It's great, I love it. It's a bang for your buck, it's worth it. I'm telling y'all, this is a next level type thing. This is great for, you know, home gyms and stuff like that. If you like have like like anger issues, stressing and stuff like that, this is the best thing to get, man. You feel me? On some gloves, just go hand with this, all right? So yeah, let's get this thing started, huh? The quality is pretty good, not gonna lie. It's all beat up and all dirty right now because my homie tried to kick it with his shoes. My ass. Other than that, yeah, man, great product.
Beautiful, dog.
So in conclusion, I really like this product. This is a great buy, by the way. Oh shit. Okay. I thought I was like pulling hella down on my chest. This is a great product. I really recommend this product. Great for the price. It was a bundle. I got it on Amazon. I don't know if I said that already. Probably did. A great addition to your home workout, your home gym, your home studio. No, just for your like your home gym. You know what I'm saying? Cop one, guys. If you guys want one, I will leave a link down below. It is an affiliated link. It will help out my channel a lot. Thank you once again for subscribing, liking my videos, just checking out my channel, and you know, helping me with these views and all these good stuff. You feel me? I'm in my garage. People's probably like staring at me. If they're walking by, they're gonna be like, what's up with this dude talking to himself and stuff like that? I don't know, man. Being a YouTuber is hard. What's my outro again? If this video was helpful in any way, or if it was entertaining in any way, please smash that like button.
Smash.
Subscribe to your homie for more content like this or anything else I do in this channel or on this channel. What the hell? It's been so long, guys. Don't mind the background. I know it's a mess. I'm trying to do some stuff, you know, like side projects. So yeah, man. Subscribe to the channel if you guys are new here. Yeah, with that being said, y'all be safe, keep it breezy, and I'll see you in the future. Deuces.
You know what I mean?
Oh, damn, I haven't done that in so long, guys. It's good to be back, I guess. All right, y'all, in the next video, I'll catch y'all. Tiger uppercut.
My style, untouchable.